Nokia's new smartphone, Nokia Maze Pro 5G, is going to hit the market soon. Many amazing features have been provided in this phone, which make it different from other smartphones present in the market. Today we will tell you in detail about the features of Nokia Maze Pro 5G. Nokia Maze Pro 5G has been specially designed for those who are looking for powerful performance, as well as great design. If you also want to get this great smartphone, then watch this video till last. Because, in today's video we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this great smartphone. So let's get started. Features of Nokia Maze Pro 5G. Design and display. The design of Nokia Maze Pro 5G is very attractive. It has a 6.75-inch Super AMOLED display, whose resolution is 1440 x 3200 pixels. Its screen-to-body ratio is 90%, giving you an immersive viewing experience. The display of the phone comes with HDR10+ support, which makes the experience of watching videos and gaming even better. Processor and performance. Nokia Maze Pro 5G has Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which makes it super fast. This processor supports 5G network, and does not face any problem in multitasking. Other side, this phone will be launched on Android 15 operating system, which comes with the latest security and performance updates. Camera setup. Even in terms of camera, Nokia Maze Pro 5G is far ahead. It has a triple rear camera setup. Its primary camera is 108 megapixels, which takes the photography experience to a new level. Apart from this, it also has a 16 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens. However, a 32 megapixel selfie camera is provided in the front, which is capable of clicking great selfies. Battery life and charging. Nokia Maze Pro 5G has a 7000 mAh battery, which can run it comfortably for 2 days on a single charge. 120-watt fast charging support is also provided in the phone. The company claims that this phone can be fully charged in just 30 minutes. Price or launch date. The price of Nokia Maze Pro 5G has been kept around $600 in the global market. And talking about the launch date, this phone will be available for sale by mid-October 2025.